I'm here at school with the boys. They're trying to sniff out a good story for us. Now, I hear that the school's being decorated. Not sure what contribution the boys can make, except for a little wee or several along the fence line. Let's go look. They've come to have a look to see how beautifully decorated our school fence is starting to look. So I've cut up a whole box of strips here for you, and your mission is to empty this box, fill this fence up for me, so that when I come in on Monday morning I'm just blown away by all the gorgeous decorations. Refill it, and why not crochet? Like Linus can teach you, Mrs. Chapman can teach you. Make some pom-poms, Aileen can help out there. So let's see what we can do to brighten up our walks. And one other thing I need to mention to you is the Special School Award. This is the Fabulous Pencil Award. Now, this belongs to the entire school community this week. It's all the Gibbs family together. So thank you very much for joining me online, offline, at home, juggling heaps of things at once, and especially the kindness and caring that has been very obvious amongst our community, especially in the last few weeks. So thank you, and let's see what exciting things we do next week.